Welcome back to the NMHS Help Desk. I'm your host Adam Brownawell, and today we're going to be reviewing Khan Academy. If you are a junior or a senior, you should definitely be interested in this app for the SAT practice, but we'll get into that more later. Roll the intro. So here is Khan Academy, and before I start my review on Khan Academy, I'd like to explain a little bit about what Khan Academy is and why you'd want to use it. So what Khan Academy is an educational app that you can use if you're struggling in any class, whatever it might be. Maybe you're struggling with geometry or something like that. Then you can come over to Khan Academy and get some extra help after class. So to start, you'll want to go up to your subject section, because I don't really care too much about my bio or any of my avatars. If you're interested in these, well, you're going to have to find a different video. So you'll have to go up to the section, subjects area, and choose the subject you're struggling in. So let's say you're struggling in geometry, like I mentioned earlier. Or I tried it out a little bit, and you'll see I have 1% of it done, which isn't very much, obviously. Then you'll go over here and click the classes, and you'll scroll down and find wherever it's relevant to you. I would say high school geometry probably is what's relevant to you. Now wait a second for it to load. And then you'll go over to this tab called Missions. Once you click the Missions tab, you'll be brought to this page. So to start, you'll have to do the Mastery Challenge. It says Warm Up. After you complete the Warm Up, it'll allow you to do Personalized Practice, which will be these. And this will let you pick up wherever you left off in the class. So let's say the last thing you learned about was the area of triangles. You can click Practice, and then you can do practice problems on the area of triangles. So let's see, you saw this. I'm not going to try. Put in an answer, and click Check My Answer. It'll let you know if that's right or wrong. Here I obviously got it wrong. Random answer. If you don't know what you're doing, you can ask for hints, and it'll give you a step-by-step tutorial the more hints you ask for. Or you can even watch a video, which is what I like Khan Academy so much for. So let's say you don't know how to use it. Find the area of a triangle. Here you go. Here's a nice video for you. Besides using Khan Academy leisurely for extra practice after school, you could also do a whole bunch of other cool stuff on here. So as I talked about, I wouldn't really go over the bio, but I would like to mention that as you do questions on Khan Academy, you'll get points. As you see, they're called energy points, and that's how you unlock these. But you also unlock achievements, badges, and you can see your progress as you get better at whatever it might be. So I haven't done a whole bunch on here, but here's the progress that I have so far in the world of math. Another cool thing about Khan Academy is this tab over here called the Coaches tab. So let's say you are a teacher and you want your students to be on Khan Academy, and you'll give them extra credit if they go on here and stuff. Then you could make an account as a teacher and then give your students your link. As you can see, it says code here. So if they got your code, they can put it in and join your class, and then you can track their progress as they use the Khan Academy and give them extra credit, as I mentioned earlier. Finally, one of the coolest things about Khan Academy, in my personal opinion, would be the SAT practice. So if you go over back to the subject section and look under test prep, you'll see SAT. Now, if you plan on taking the SAT your senior year of high school, I would definitely recommend getting some practice in on Khan Academy. As you'll see, as soon as it loads, this is taking a while. Okay, now it is loaded. You can come over here and click the practice and decide what practice you need help with. Obviously, I'm going to need help with math. So I click Take Quiz. This is the second one. They give you 4 practice ones, and then you can start getting a personalized schedule of what you need help with. So this is the second practice one, and let's wait for this. Alright, so finally the SAT practice loaded. It took a little while, but it's okay. I've gone ahead and jumped to question 10 out of 11 because I just want to show how it helps you after you've answered all your questions. So let's just hurry up and finish all of these. I answered A for anything that I can answer A for, and anything I have to type, I just type it in. So these are probably almost all wrong. Maybe like 2 right. And after you finish, down here you can see my horribly amazing score. A whole bunch more bad, but we got 2 right like I thought. And then you can click Review, and it'll give you a little bit like a tutorial on why. As you can see, it explains the answer and why it's the right answer. And then down here you can get a small tutorial over it. And it does this for every single question, so if you mess up on anything, it's okay. You can just look at these tutorials and then you'll do better next time. So that was my quick tutorial over Khan Academy. It was just a small review. There's a whole bunch more you can work on in here that I didn't really go over projects or coaches all that much. If you're interested in those, I might make a separate video. Just leave a comment below and ask for it. Anyway, thank you for watching.